Hi, in this video I'll show you how to download apps outside of Microsoft Store. So if you're trying to download and install a app and you're searching the app in your Microsoft Store, but the app is not available in your Microsoft Store, don't worry. Now I'll show you how you can easily download and install a app without Microsoft Store. To download any apps outside of Microsoft Store, you have to open your browser on your computer. And then all you have to need, search for the app name that you want to download. In my case, let's search for Discord, and after the app name, type download for PC and just search for it. And then here you will find lots of websites where you can easily get the app installer. So I suggest to use this website, updown.com. So this is a very popular website where you will find your computer apps and games to download. Okay, once you are in this website, you can also use the search app icon to search for a software. So let's search here Skype, and also here you can see the Skype app is available. So in this website, basically you'll find all apps and games for your computer. All you have to need, go ahead and download the software installer by clicking on this download button and just close the ad and click on download, and the app or game installer will be downloaded in your computer. As you can see, once the exe file downloaded, you will be able to easily install the specific software or game in your computer by using this exe file. So that's how we can easily download any softwares or games for our computer outside of Microsoft Store. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.